Hello everyone, we are here for this week's long vowel lesson, and it is also our final lesson for our long vowels. So we are on long U. And remember, long U says its name, so we are going to say long U's name 3 times, and I would love for you to say them with me. Are you ready? U, U, U. And now we have our song, so remember the rules. We're going to listen first, and then we will sing it together. Are you ready?
Silent E, makes no sound, makes no sound. The vowel says its name, the vowel says its name. Cone and cake, kite and gate.
Okay, are you ready to sing with me? I want to hear you.
Silent E, makes no sound, makes no sound. The vowel says its name, the vowel says its name. Cone and cake, kite and gate.
Very nice job. And now we have our chant. So remember, we're going to listen first, and then we will say it together.
E tells you to say your name. E tells you to say your name.
Okay, let's say it together.
E tells you to say your name. E tells you to say your name.
So as soon as we see that magical E on the end, we know that U does not say its sound, it says its name, U. So let's read the long U pattern. U, and then we blend it together, U. Remember, silent E doesn't say anything, it's super silent, so we just say U. Very good. We have our next song. This is our long U song. So remember the rules. We're going to listen first, then you'll sing it with me.
U blank E, U blank E, U says its name. U. Long U is in tune, long U is in cube. U.
Okay, are you ready? I want to hear you sing it with me.
U blank E, U blank E, U says its name. U. Long U is in tune, long U is in cube. U.
Very nice singing. You guys are amazing. So now this is the part where you try to think of any words that have long U in them. So if you can think of any, go ahead and pause the video and tell your grown-up a word that you know of that has long U with the magical E. If you don't know any, that's okay, but if you do, go ahead and pause the video and tell your grown-up. Now we're going to read words with the long U. So long U, magic E on the end, or super silent E on the end. So we're going to, as I point to it, you're going to say the sounds with me. T, U, B, tube. I have a question. How did I know right here, how did I know to say U instead of You're right. I knew how to say U, or I knew that I needed to say U because the silent E popped up on the end, and U had to say its name because that's what the E is telling me to do. Very nice job. So it is a tube, and there is a tube that you would use in a science experiment. Next one, you ready? M-U-L. Mule. And there is a mule. A mule is a cross between a donkey and a horse. So that is what a mule is if you're not familiar with a mule. Your next one, are you ready? Fume. And the gasoline is letting off some fumes. We have to be very careful around gasoline because those fumes can be dangerous. Next one, t, u, n, tune. And a tune is like a music tune. So this is a radio, and the music is coming out of the radio. It is the tune of the music. Our next one, k, u, b, cube. And there's a picture of a cube. We should be cube masters by now with all of our three-dimensional shape learning. Next one, m, u, t, mute. Mute means that you hear no sound. So if you're muting the radio, you're turning off the sound, or you're muting your telephone, you are turning the sound off of it. Or you could also do that on your TV. If you mute the volume on the TV, it means there's going to be no sound. The next one, k, u, t, cute. And there is a cute baby and a cute puppy right there. They are so cute. Now we are at the stage where you are going to go get your scratch piece of paper. So I will allow you to pause the video, go run and get your scratch piece of paper and a pencil, and then you're going to come back and we're going to be writing these words. So the first word that you're writing, you should have your scratch paper and your pencil now. The first word that you're writing is mule. Remember, a mule is a cross between a donkey and a horse. So it has 4 letters in it, 3 sounds, because remember, silent E doesn't say anything. So you're going to pause the video when I say go, and you're going to write down the sounds that you hear. M, U, O, and a silent E on the end. Ready, go. If you wrote M, U, L, E, 2 thumbs up again. Very nice job. The next one is a tube. The tube that we use for the science experiment. Go ahead and say the sounds in tube, pause the video, and write the sounds down on your paper. T, U, B, E. Did you get that one? Very nice job. You guys are awesome. Okay, the next one. This is what shape is this? A cube. So you're going to pause the video and write the sounds that you hear in k, u, b. And don't forget your magic E. If you wrote C, U, B, E, say self. You are so amazing. Very nice job. Okay, the next one, oh, it's the cute baby and the cute puppy. So you're going to sound out the sounds that you hear in cute. Cute. Go ahead and write that down now. C, U, T, E. Cute. Did you get it? 2 thumbs up. Okay, now remember it's coming out of the gas. It is the fume. Fume. Go ahead and say the sounds in f, u, m, and then write them down. F, U, M, E. Did you get it? Say self. You're a superstar. Good job. Oh, and this one, do you remember this word? You can hear no volume, which means it is mute. Go ahead and say the sounds that you hear in mute, and you're going to write them down. If you wrote M, U, T, E, 2 thumbs up. M, U, T, mute. Very nice job. And this is the tune that's coming out of the radio. Tune. Go ahead and say the sounds and write them down that you hear. Tune. T, U, N, T, U, N, E. Tune. Very nice job. And that completes our long vowel lesson for this week. So as I mentioned, that is our final long vowel lesson. So I hope you guys learned so much during these activities. I really enjoyed being able to teach the long vowels to you, and I know all of you are going to be so prepared for first grade. I am so proud of you for all working so very hard. Bye, everyone.